Want a plan that actually works? Here's how to build one, in 3 clear, actionable steps. Step 1. Define your true target. Most people set vague goals. They sound inspiring, but they lack precision. Here's what the top 1% do differently. They define a true target, a specific outcome paired with a non-negotiable deadline. Not grow on YouTube, but upload 2 videos per week for the next 30 days. Not get fit, but lose 3 kilograms by August 1st. Step 2. Know your X and Y. Here's the part most people skip. Breaking down the goal. People often plan for things to go perfectly. But success depends on planning for when they don't. List out the obstacles you're likely to face, and then apply this formula. If X happens, then I'll do Y. Anticipate your obstacles, and create your action responses in advance. Example: if I get the urge to eat junk food during my fat loss journey, I'll reach for a low-calorie snack instead. Step 3. Anchor and activate. This is the most overlooked, yet most critical, step. Most people create a plan and hope willpower carries them through. Top performers, they don't leave it to chance. They install the plan into their daily routine using 2 tools: anchors and reminders. An anchor is something you already do every day, like brushing your teeth, drinking coffee, or opening your laptop. You tie your plan to that action. For example, right after I brush my teeth, I review my 3-step plan. A reminder is about external accountability. Because memory fades and motivation slips, you need outside triggers. Use sticky notes, set calendar alerts, ask a friend to check in. Create what I call a trigger plus ping system, so your plan becomes unavoidable.